In today's video, I'm going to show you the best method to fix the lag and dropped frames in Streamlabs for 2024. If you're having trouble with smooth streaming, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming. Make sure you're using a wired connection if possible, as Wi-Fi can be unreliable. Next, let's optimize the Streamlabs settings. Open Streamlabs and go to settings by clicking the gear icon. Navigate to the video tab. Select base canvas resolutions to your monitor's resolutions. Set output scale resolutions to 1280 by 720 for 720p or 1920 by 1080 for 1080p. Set downscale filter to Langzo's sharpen scaling 36 samples. Set FPS type to common FPS values and common value FPS value to 30 or 60. Now on the output settings, go to output tab. Set output mode to advanced. Under streaming section, set encoder to NVENC new if you have NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, use X264. Set rate control to CBR. Set bitrate to 4500 for 720p or 6000 for 1080p. Set keyframe interval to 2. Set preset to quality. Set profile to high. Set look ahead and psycho-visual tuning to enabled if using NVENC. Finally, let's make sure your PC is running at its best. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Set Streamlabs to run as administrator. Adjust window settings for performance. And there you have it. By following this step, you should see a significant improvement in your streaming performance with Streamlabs.